Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another episode of Yapology, although it's like literally the third one. But yeah, we've missed you.
We have.
I've
been
missed
a long
you
break.
also.
I also missed you.
Yeah.
It is crazy not to see her face more than
A
you
few
know.
weeks actually.
Yeah,
Just a
it's
few
been
weeks.
a few weeks. It's been what?
Three-
3 weeks?
three at
Which is a
most.
lot of weeks.
Also, yeah, less
It
than a
is
month.
too many weeks.
But more than 15 days. But yeah, I went back home for a small, chotu short break.
Long, crazy, excruciating break.
I deserve that much, and I had a lot of fun. The fun also I had came in layers, and it had like its own ups and downs, but I enjoyed it. I really love home, and Mumbai can never beat my home. Although it's like a very small chotu town, it's beautiful in all its like atrocious, ugly aspects of like really what is going on moments. I love that place so much. But yeah, I'm back in Mumbai, my other home, and I like it. But also, why is it so hot? Like, again, I get it, climate action, but it is so hot in winters.
We are all feeling the same feelings.
It's
I am
crazy.
disappointed that I'm sweating in November.
Yeah.
But that is the life we are living. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys about my Diwali
Yes,
break
please do.
because I had a very short not
one.
very eventful break.
Sucks to be
it
you.
was it was actually fun in the sense that I actually started reading.
Wait till you hear my break.
Oh my god, her break was crazy. So I am starting with mine because mine is not as intense as hers.
2 minutes, start.
Yes. Started the Diwali break, immediately decided that I'm going to start reading books again. So I started a new series.
Oh.
And I am 2 books into that series right now. It is it's a trilogy. So I've read that. I finished a 4th book, like an independent book in the beginning of the vacation, then started this trilogy. It is fun. I like it. Although, give me all the details. I want to watch a movie in my brain. And that is not happening right now in the book that I'm reading because it's very action ke baad action and no description about the place and the environment. So I'm picturing them doing things in the void and then suddenly they give me detail and I'm like, oh my god, ped bhi hai idhar, chalo ped dalte. And that
In a
is
nutshell, in a very bad nutshell, this is a Rohit Shetty film. In a very
fuck up.
bad nutshell.
But it's a well-written book.
That's why I said a bad nutshell.
Oh my god, yeah, that also happened. Now you watched that.
Arya,
also,
I'll tell you
you're very
everything. I'll tell you
crazy.
everything.
Okay, so that's it. I mostly watched films and then I went and I met friends and impromptu
Lovely.
Diwali party happened where we ordered so much
Oh,
random
yeah,
food
yeah.
and it was so cool and the person whose house I went to was really happy that I came and she gave me a lot of she gave me sari blouse and did a little arthi thingy because it was on Lakshmi Puja ka din pe I went to her house.
It's called Oti Bharan.
Yes, that happened.
That's so cute actually.
Yeah, I have pictures.
But like,
of
do
it.
you know what it means?
No.
It's
Explain.
like, wait, I wanna know your reaction.
Wait. Wow. Okay.
No, Oti Bharan
Yes.
first. Oti Bharan basically means God bharai kind of thing.
Yeah, it
It's
was
like the whole
basically
fertility,
that.
right?
Yeah, because she made me hold out my
Padracha
sarika
Tes,
pallu.
हाँ. So yeah, I don't know if this happens in the north of India. I have never seen it. I think
It
it's
is a mostly South Indian thing, I think, because she's South Indian. She's from.
I think it's a very like Deccan South
Yeah,
Indian.
she's from the Deccan.
Tradition to do. It's
She's
very
from
like.
Hubli.
Oh, she's from Karnataka.
Yeah.
Makes sense. So yeah, that's what happened. That's what happens. So they basically ask you to sort of take like an edge of your sari towards them, and then they put like some a little bit of
fruits,
wheat,
a whole ass coconut.
coconut, depends on dry or
Yeah.
wet, place to place. I think it's a very sweet custom, but again, it has very like patriarchal connotations
Yeah.
of what a woman should be.
But this was sweet because
It is a sweet sort of celebration from like a woman to woman.
yeah,
it's a
woman
cute
to
thing.
woman, it's cute because
very
it was
cute.
woman to woman to woman because
Yeah.
her mother was on the phone with her on video call when she introduced me to her mom and her mom was like, oh my god, you got an unmarried woman to your house on Lakshmi Puja ka din. Like right after Lakshmi Puja ended, I came to their house.
Right.
And auntie said उसके जाने से पहले वो कर देना उसके लिए तो she did it फटाफट for me and then I got into my cab and I
That's
left.
very
So
cute.
it was very sweet. It has never happened to me before, but it was so sweet. And it was so cute. And I have that sari piece in my cupboard. I have to get it stitched or something.
We have like when I got my maternal grandmother a sari from like my first paycheck. I ended up getting like this very beautiful dark forest green sari, which is very like the kind of sari Maharashtrian brides wear, Hindu Maharashtrian brides wear on their wedding, but it's not restricted to that. So I got her that sari, and my mother was like, "ठीक है, मोठेकडे चाललीस जा. You're going to your grandmother. Go." And she like packed everything, and she's like, "असं कर, असं कर, असं कर. If you get confused, ask Motiai." So I sat her down, and my grandmother the entire time said, why would you do this? Why did you bring a sari? Keep your money. Why are you wasting it on me, on a woman like me, on an old woman like me? She's like, can you like let
Shut
me
up.
appreciate? This is my love language. You deserve this. And you're the only grandmother I really want to do this to. The other one's just there. But like I got her a sari also because Anyway, so I did that, and it was so cute because I've seen my grandma do this to like other women, and I got to do this for her, to her, which was a lovely feeling. I really like that. I think it's a very cute like
gesture.
Yeah.
Just as a cute moment of connection type thing. Yeah, it was very sweet.
And if you go to someone's house for the first time, if you like know each other well, they always get the woman a sari. They don't do anything. Yeah. They don't get anything for the man, okay?
Who are these people?
Us, bro.
When am I coming to your house?
तू आजा next Diwali. I'll take you.
I will for real come, dude. Because मेरे को दिवाली पे छुट्टी मिलती है.
So yeah, when like there's this term called Bai Lake, which is also very cute. It basically means Bai means woman, Lake means daughter. So like a woman or a daughter. It's a term of endearment. So every time says कि अरे कोनी Bai Lake आली है घरी, like there's like a daughter's come home. So they always get her a sari at least. Yeah. And do Oti Bharan, which is adorable.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah. And
sometimes
they also
the Maharashtrians are very cute with their customs.
Maharashtrians are like really cute with their customs.
Yeah, their weddings are very long though. But
I think that's just like an Indian thing.
Maharashtrian weddings are the longest weddings.
Bro, it's only 5 days. Now it's got like 3.
No. I'm talking about the actual wedding ritual.
Ritual?
That is a whole 2.5 hours. Most weddings usually
Wait till you attend a Punjabi wedding.
No, I have attended a Punjabi wedding.
A hardcore Punjabi wedding?
Yeah.
There's no fucking way.
I didn't even stay till the feras were over. The कब के फेरे चले, हम निकल गए भाई, हम खा के निकल गए.
Makes sense.
But yeah, so went to Aditi's house. That was the friend's house I went to. Got a cute little ritual happening. It was very sweet. I came home and then basically just chilled and read some more until my vacation ended, essentially. And then Shadi season started. But it wasn't very...
Shadi season.
It wasn't very crazy happening Diwali. I didn't light a single fuljadi, not a single cracker, nothing.
Good.
And I didn't even put diyas this year. Usually I put diyas every year. This year I just didn't. I don't know why, but I didn't.
Vibes nahi tha.
I was not feeling very festive this year. I don't know why. Usually I do. Usually I'm very on top of that.
Slow, poisonous, painful death that is inevitable because of climate change.
Yeah, probably.
Accelerated by the Pavali, but maybe it's just like you.
Maybe.
So true. Speaking of death, guys,
why do you want to talk about it? Oh, I know why you don't talk about it.
I think it's well known to like any person who's like remotely close to me or has listened to me.
She does not like death.
No, it's not
She's
about...
not like talking about it
It's not about...
extensively.
Yeah, that also. But anyone who knows me like remotely well knows I don't harbor a lot of love or positive feelings for my paternal family because those fuckers, they don't deserve it. There's a long laundry list of reasons why I don't like them.
Most people listening to this can probably relate.
But one of the reasons on the laundry list is somehow Janelle and my fellow listeners, stalkers, somehow one of them, like either in the family or like in the bhauki or like the extended family, one ends up dying like on the festival or like right before the festival.
They need to get their shit together.
I think they got their shit a little together and they were like, "Ab khatam. I will die now." It's so like, how do you end up ruining it for everyone? Like, you are such a party pooper. तुम जिंदा थे, तुमने कुछ अच्छा नहीं किया. मरते तो किसी को खुशी देते जाओ. वो भी नहीं होता. So Dasara happened and my mother, who really goes all out for Deepavali Farar, and having like tasted a lot of Deepavali Farar over the years, I can say that there are a very few people who make it well, and my mom's one of them. I'm very very
कुछ
picky
नहीं
about
लाई तू मेरे लिए.
मैं I've put on Farar weight.
I know.
Okay, so but I have some.
I coined the term.
I have some. तुझे आएगी घर तो तुझे देती हूँ.
Yes.
So anyway, guys, everything's going well, and we were like
Chilling Deepavali.
No. We were halfway done with our Deepavali Farar, okay? Then we get a phone call from my Baba. He's like, Arey, tumi stop it. Someone died. And then my mom's like, what do you mean someone died? Who died? And he's like, मैं बताता वो सारा details. And then he sent a screenshot of a WhatsApp status.
What?
Yeah, because my paternal family does not have the courtesy, does not have the decency to inform their own family, their own kin ki, hey guys, Deepavali mat ye karo, sutak pad le. Sutak means you know when someone dies, that's like the time, it's called sutak, grieving period of sorts. Yeah. Sutak, it actually has a lot of other roots and branches, and so we got to know someone died whose death impacted our Deepavali this year through a screenshot of a WhatsApp status.
So how dare they?
How dare they? Then a few days later we went to a water park.
Because Sutak was over.
Sutak was over. It in fact was over, but because we couldn't do our Lakshmi Pujan this year
Because of the death.
because of the Sutak and their death, fuck you, we went to my maternal family and they were like, Are Zawai Pua pan alet, yeah. And I was like, what is so like celebratory about this man? I don't know, and his family, my family also, but
I
like,
do not know what that word means.
what? Zawai Bapu? Zawai Pua? It's like endearingly referring to your son-in-law.
Acha, okay.
Zawai Pua.
Cool.
So, yeah, we went to my Motia Anna's ghar. Had fun there. Janelle, one day I wake up and I can't open my eye properly because an ant bit me
In your eye? On
my eyelid. On my eyelid. An ant bit me and it was so swollen. It looked like I had grown a set of like lips on my eyes.
Where is that picture?
I will not share it to you. I will show you on my phone, but you will not see it.
I will not have it.
Yeah, you will not have it. So guys, I felt very pretty in a nice sari, okay, whatever, Lakshmi Pujan. I didn't like burst a lot of
I liked
firecrackers.
the sari she wore. She posted a story of it. And
Yeah.
I immediately was like,
Wow, so nice, slay.
so pretty.
So that happened, and then I felt very pretty on Lakshmi Pujan, then I slept. And then the very next day, I had like a ginormous, it was
Eyeball.
disproportionate. It Frankenstein? Me. Equally
Same.
same. So ginormous like eyelid. Then
That is so funny.
and it took 3 days for it to go away.
With nothing, no remedy.
What remedy will you have for an ant bite on your eyelid?
I don't know.
There is no remedy. It's an ant bite. I knew it for sure.
There is a thing that it's scientific or God knows what, but हमारे घर पे TMI, too much TMI only. When you get a sty on your eye,
Okay.
it is common knowledge in our household that you are supposed to put your subah ka pee on it, and it works. Because I don't know what it's the chemicals or it's something, but it works.
Girl, I pulled the line at Gomutra, human mutra. No.
No, I get it.
Never.
But I have family members who used to get styes a lot, and they used to do it, and it worked.
See, more power to you and your family.
We are crazy.
More power to you guys.
I don't know why. I don't know from where, but I'm sure
And you
this is a
have-
real
and-
thing.
And y'all have the audacity to come at us for Gomutra.
I am not coming at anybody for Gomitra.
You shouldn't, and you better never do.
Why
Anyway,
will you kill me?
yeah, I will not, but I will watch it happen. I was like, "Arey guys, mat maro, kyun maar rahe ho?" Anyway, no, I will not, guys. I'm very anti-saffron. Okay, so
She is literally wearing beige.
yeah, I am, which was yellow at one point of time. So that happened, and then yeah, it took 3 days for it to go away. Then we came back home.
Pause. If any of you all hear screaming at the background, it's my neighbors. They are doing something and they are not quiet about it. But anyways, keep going.
Keep going. So that happened, and then we decided to go watch a movie.
Oh.
Okay. Now we wanted to watch भूल भुलैया 3 but वो उस वक्त वो शो नहीं था, so we were like चलो सिंघम देख लेते हैं. And guys, I feel like, see, coming from a person who does not really like Deepavali anymore, Dasara anymore, and the whole like the political environment in the country anymore, when I say Singham 3 is actually a crime against Ramayan, I'm onto something. Like, and see, subtlety or the word subtle is lost on Rohit Shetty.
See, that is something we knew.
No, but like, how obvious can one person be? Rohit Shetty was like, मैं तेरे को दिखाता हूँ. And it's crazy that such a huge budget, such big names in the franchise.
Yeah, I was
and
disappointed in more than half of those names in that movie.
and
I didn't even watch the movie. I will not watch the
and
movie.
you will not see. We were like brain rot, and also my mother. Okay, I kept calling her Pokey, and she was like, "Arey Pokey," and it was so cute. She literally poked me, and she's like, "Pokey, aik na." So I was like, "Aga Pokey nahi ga, Pookie," and then she's like, "ठीक है." But now we call each other Pokey. Pookie is not a word anymore.
Yes.
So we were like brain rot, and she's like, "ते काय असतं? चल मी तुला दाखवते." So we went to the theater.
Wow, what a good, what do you call it? What a good showcase for
Yeah.
the word brain rot.
And I was watching Singham 3 with my swollen eye, by the way. Dedication, right?
Wow.
So
एक आँख के साथ देख रही थी
एक आँख के
किसी
साथ
को.
देख रही हूँ, 1.5 आँख के साथ देख रही हूँ मैं. And we had like the best fucking seat. We went like the box, okay? Fucking New York Opera House kind of vibe it was.
What?
Yeah.
What
So
is Latur?
not Latur. It's not
Oh,
Latur.
where?
Fuck
Where?
Latur.
Okay, where is this?
My hometown. I shall not disclose it because I'm afraid my ex will hear and come over there also.
Oh, she has so much ex-paranoia here.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
mental.
And very valid, bro. Anyway,
very valid.
I'm dragging on. We watched the movie, and then my mom and I was like, "Mom, isn't it fun?" And she's like, "Yeah, in a very sick and twisted way. This is very fun." So I was like, "Abhi Bhool Bhulaiya dekhte hain." So
On the same day?
yeah,
What is wrong with you?
brain rot, bro. We had nothing to do. We could. It's not like we could end.
At least space out your
Oh yeah,
brain
there was a
capacity.
buffer. There was a buffer period.
No, मतलब अच्छे से.
नहीं रे, पागल है क्या तू?
Okay, एक ही दिन पे सारा ही brain cells मारना एक ही साथ. Next day regenerate हो जाएंगे.
हाँ.
Good.
And given to what was happening back home, I was like, this is better, no? So we watched Bhool Bhulaiya 3 and the movie was shit. It is so saddening to see Vidya Balan come down to this because when I tell you, I was, I think 4 or 5 years old when I first watched Bhool Bhulaiya and Vidya Balan scared me, bro.
Vidya Balan scared me too, and I wasn't even into Bollywood movies that much then. Okay.
2,500 तो दे रहा होगा ना?
It's recording.
हाँ ठीक है, never mind. No context. Anyway,
It was more than that though.
Roshanta!
We'll share pacho.
Okay, so
That is, we will not be explaining this, but it is.
but
in the
like guys,
episode.
news पढ़ना ठीक है election के बारे में. You'll find out eventually.
You will find out soon.
So see, and also in a very weird but also admirable way, Vidya Balan and Bhool Bhulaiya is what made me want to learn Bharatanatyam
Oh yes.
because
Makes
I was
sense.
like,
You wanted to be Bhutni.
I wanted to be a spirit,
Bhutni.
a spirit
Bhutni.
that lived on.
Chudel.
Precisely.
Good
And
job.
in Ikshana, that was like my first ever performance. Ikshana,
I
college
don't
mein.
remember.
I was wearing yellow.
I don't. Oh
was
yes, you were. I have a picture of you. I
You
took a
sent
picture
me
of
in the
you.
picture.
Oh my god, this was back when we were not friends.
Yeah.
I just knew.
Nodding
I
acquaintances.
just knew her from her performances. I was like, wow, pretty. But yeah, that is when that was.
So when I
happening.
walked around like the empty main hall to get to the stage, I was like, hey, dream come true ho gaya bro, maza aa raha hai.
My time too.
My time
Be
too.
full chudel.
Yeah, and I kid you not, one person actually like looked around where is the sound coming from because
Chan,
it,
chan, chan, chan.
and it echoed, right? Crazy, bro. So yeah, then we went to water park, which was amazing because it's not, winters are not cold anymore because
climate change.
We went to water park and the thing is, since my hometown is like a literally very small town, a lot of people don't go out like that, and even if they do, it's like you can tell कि अभी लोग बाहर पढ़ेंगे, अभी नहीं पढ़ेंगे. So जब हम water park पे गए थे, सिर्फ हम ही थे.
Wow.
Yeah, and that water park is not like a big space, okay? It's like just like one. There's like a resort. जहाँ पे mainly शादीज होती है, and they have like it's good. It's very good for a small town. And yeah, bro, we went there. We had the whole area to ourselves, and
I wish.
Yeah.
I wish.
Next Deepavali.
No.
Someone will die, that's for sure. They always die right before happiness comes knocking on our door. So that happened, which was fun. And then I learned how to swim this winter, which
At
was
age
fun.
22.
Because I couldn't, Janelle!
Don't scream. एक तो मेरा कान फाड़ के रखेगी तो इनका सोचो.
Love that. Who cares?
मेरे को ऑडियो डेसिबल कम करना होगा. Who cares?
Anyway, so yeah, we went to a water park in the fucking...
She learned how to swim, but then realized she can only swim one of two ways. Describe. You told me you can only swim in 2 formats.
Okay, so I actually forgot about that.
She can float in 2 formats. Sorry, not even... No, she can swim.
रुको. मैं बताती हूँ. Let me.
Yes.
So, I can float, but if I try to swim, I can only move my arms properly, or I can only like chop with my legs properly.
Yes.
I can't coordinate my arms and my legs.
So she is basically doing hands or leg action while swimming.
So when I try to swim, when I try to swim, I start drowning. So I can only either like push the water below my belly, or I could like really very well move my legs in the water. I can do that really very well. Like legs action, bro, kammal ka.
But she is moving forward a little bit.
In a very like
convoluted way. Yes.
In a very convoluted, that girl is definitely gonna die way. I can swim. I remember at one point there was this child who looked at me, and the child, it fucking dived in a beautiful arc and started swimming, and I was like, देख मेरे बचपन में स्विमिंग पूल नहीं था हमारे पास.
Same thing happened to Zainab and I in Maldives.
Okay.
Zainab cannot swim.
Maldives.
Zainab cannot swim. For sure.
Love you, Zainab.
Yeah, love you, Zainab. Zainab has the same problem as you. Zainab tries to
Love
swim.
you, Zainab, even
Zainab
more.
drowns. Zainab
Love you,
is
Zainab.
pro at drowning. But no, genuinely, because then we went snorkeling and she killed snorkeling because all you have to do in snorkeling is drown. You have to go to the bottom.
Yeah.
She was so good at going to the bottom. I was not.
Love you, Zainab.
So she found her calling.
A woman of one hand.
You're real. Because I tried to teach her how to swim, and I'm holding her back, and I'm teaching her how to float on her back. I'm teaching her how to swim on her belly. She can't. There are kids around her floating in floats, swimming without floats. And this was Maldives day 1, okay? We landed in Maldives. Sham ko hum log gaye the swimming ke liye because we wanted to. Zainab was so pissed at the kids that were swimming near her that she wanted to learn then out of spite.
No, kids.
She just went, look at me go. And then she just drowned.
Zainab, 100% valid. Kids these days do not know the meaning or the like exercise of humility. Like, humility is a foreign concept to these like little gremlins. Bro, that child looked at me and fucking like perfect ऐसा Olympic type drive मारा bro वो. अगर उसके माँ बाप उसको GE NEET के लिए pressurize नहीं करेंगे ना, he has a good career. He can represent India. Like, I mean it.
We have nobody representing India for swimming, which is sad because we have lakes and a fucking ocean. Somebody is swimming somewhere. Find them.
Yeah, and guys, learn how to swim. Like, enjoy. Like, try to dip your toes at least before like water evaporates off of this earth's surface.
Or it just takes over your cities. One of
one of the two. Enjoy kar lo.
Now is the time.
And you know, it got me
Insert
thinking.
Imagica ad.
Imagica. I actually know the Imagica
I don't
song.
like Imagica.
Neither do I. But
I've
like,
never been, but I don't like it.
I know the theme song, but that's irrelevant. Anyway, it got me to thinking.
Imagica?
No, it's Imagica, iya.
Okay.
Or at least it was a few years ago.
I don't know. No.
Anyway, climate change really makes me think.
It makes me anxious.
It makes me anxious.
I have cried over climate change.
Girl, same. But like, I keep thinking, do I want to like further my bloodline?
No, the answer to that is no.
Yeah.
That has been my constant answer since age, I think, 12.
Because I don't want to be the reason someone is born and suffers because of me. Like, I could have ended misery for like a lot of people, but what if I do end up having children and then they do the same? Because it's real. And see guys, I come from Marathwada, right? And we don't know water very well. Like हमको पानी ऐसे कभी कभी मिलता है, कभी कभी नहीं मिलता है. हम लोग ऐसे ही जी रहे हैं. एक वक्त आएगा हम आंसू पियेंगे अगर आंसू आए तो. So water for us is like also like really
Privilege.
yeah, it is a privilege for a lot of farmers in
Yes,
Marathwada
yeah.
especially. So I felt like at one point I was sliding down a slide in the water park and I was like, fuck bro, ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? And I was like, fuck it bro, बाद में पानी रहेगा नहीं रहेगा किसको पता?
That is a very real
Yeah.
fear. But the thing with me is I'm not concerned that the space I live in right now is going to flood because we are far enough from the ocean. And we are far enough from a big river, but we are close enough to a river.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's a nala now. But still, it will not overflow to the point where हम लोग डूब जाएंगे.
Yeah, बस
Because
बात
it's पास आएगी, पानी तो भरेगा, पानी तो इधर already भरता है, but still, it is concerning. So no
Very
continuation of bloodline on my end for sure.
Good for you, honestly.
Because gay. Also, if I want to adopt a person, maybe. But again, don't really want to do that.
Same.
I'm going to live on मेरे दोस्तों के भरोसे जिनको मुझे पता है बच्चे करने पड़े as a requirement of their lifestyles. But yes.
Talking about बच्चे bloodline.
Oh my
also,
god!
guys,
So true. Look at the
Guys.
segues. This episode has been so natural.
it's natural and I lived like most of it by the way in a
Yeah.
span of like a few weeks. Imagine मेरे को
3 weeks.
whiplash
मेरे को सुन के विप्लाश हो रहा था बट ये एपिसोड में ट्रांजिशन इतना स्मूथली
Also guys, how you found out is not the way I told Janelle on a call.
No,
In a span of like 7 to 8 minutes, dhad I went off and I was like, Janelle, बाद में call करती हूँ.
Yeah,
bye.
she's like, bye, I'm walking. I was like, it's been 8 minutes. I have so much info to process. What do you mean?
That's why I gave you time. Process कर.
No, actually, I had to go. I had work. We could have continued. I got a phone call. Oh my god, that is another thing I want to talk about later.
Later.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I'm officially at that point in my very choti सी lived life where my parents are
उसका
like,
हल्का सा उम्र of 22.
yeah, like I have just touched my early 20s, okay, and my parents are like, so शादी तो तुझे करनी पड़ेगी और हम करवाएंगे अगले कुछ सालों में, so अभी से लड़का ढूंढना शुरू करते ताकि
तक कोई मिल जाएगा.
yeah, मतलब वो you know how the sea has like a lot of foam and then when it clears out you see the water. My parents are like ऐसा ही होता है लाइफ में भी, so लड़के पहले झाग की तरह निकालेंगे हम and then we'll get to the good ones and I'm like best of luck because there are no good guys. There are literally no good guys.
See, I am of the belief, regardless of being an almost permanent man non-believer, I believe that there are few. And by
Very
few,
few.
I mean can count on your fingers and toes. Jitna few.
See, in India,
Amount of men that will be suitable enough for marriage to a person with a thought process that is way more progressive than little more than most of the country. So only few men can deal with that without being pretentious and without being ekdam morally superior because I have these thoughts type of men.
oh my god, men who read books need to like, it's okay भाई show off मत कर. ज्ञानाचा अर्थ काय, जपून ठेवणे किंवा असं. सी what I'm trying to get as, if you read books, don't try to like force that knowledge down my throat that you read books. I want to talk to you, not attend a lecture. Let's have a conversation, not a Q&A session about questions I didn't even ask but you're answering. Anyway, what I'm trying to get at is,
She needs to be married.
yeah,
That's what she's getting to.
no, what I'm trying to say
And I'm
is
scared for her.
competitive exams and like good men for marriage, like marriage material men in this country, same to same honestly, but like the latter actually can turn out like really bad for you. Good sarkari naukri is good sarkari naukri na, so it'll help you, it'll sustain you. But yeah, so my
A
parents
bad
are like,
marriage. Can't.
yeah, I mean look around. So yeah, that's been happening and I actually shed tears, like I shed like really fat hot tears from my eyes and I was like, why are you doing this to
Really?
me?
You didn't tell me this.
Yeah, because I was like,
It was 8 minutes. There's too much to say.
and I was like, this is what you need to know as of now. So, and I was like, bye Janelle, baad mein. So, what I'm trying to say is, I'm really scared by the idea of me actually getting married to a man that I don't know. See, love marriage, that is also a different issue, I'll say. Okay.
Yeah.
Me talking to a guy for like consecutive amount of days, like ऐसे serialized बातें करना किसी लड़के से, मुझसे वो नहीं होगा. And having dealt with the kind of men I have, and after literally being stalked physically and like literally being stalked, I don't want to deal with men as of now. Like I do not have that. मेरा मानसिक संतुलन ही नहीं है. It's skewed.
I get it, but that my point was that इसको dating नहीं करना है, इसको arranged marriage without knowing a person नहीं करना है. तो I'm like, where is the middle ground here?
There is no middle ground as of now. That's what I'm saying.
There is your parents are your Bumble. They will find you the guys. You have to talk to one of them, जिससे तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा मस्त vibe आता है. Talk to them, quote unquote, date them for a while, at least a couple of months. Get to know who they are as a person. Because
that's not how it works.
No,
you can only
I
talk
know.
to a guy if like sakar. You know what sakar khane is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chi.
Exactly, chi. See, जब लड़के वाले देखने
Okay, but
आते हैं,
what if
you bring
what
out
if
a
you
flower?
don't do that? What if you come to
Unacceptable.
meet?
Why do you think people are against dating? Because
But you can't just meet and you can't. People can. Obviously, people
do that. People
do
have
that.
People do
but
that.
Specifically, Akansha can't.
Yeah.
In my head, she can't.
Neither
If
can I, Janelle.
She needs to know a person, bro. It is difficult to live with a person you don't know. And imagine fighting out a person.
Dealing with that firsthand, bro.
Oh my god. Dealing with people and their habits and their way of life and their just the way they do their day to day without knowing them at all, bro. Can you imagine? That sounds like a fucking nightmare to me. Which is why dating exists. I am very pro dating. I'm not
also
against arranged marriage, but I'm like, babe, y'all need to live together before y'all get married.
Which is why
in order
women
to be
suffer
married.
so much. Like, see,
That's what I'm
marriage
saying.
itself is patriarchy, and then it's like the most extended extension of patriarchy. And then when women end up with like a brat, like with a
Man child.
yeah, with a man child with like a bad fruit, they have to deal with it.
I know that is
Because
why
divorce is
exists.
also not option in this country.
Yeah, but it is in this country,
is.
but not for a lot of people.
Yeah. It's like an option you can't choose.
I would, but it's fine. Very looked down upon. I get it, understandable.
Cool, yeah.
But this girl needs to date, is what I am saying, and she needs to try. And I told her she needs to go to a crossword or something and just
First of all, men
Chill.
don't go to bookstores.
somewhere. So they will go. Art shows, galleries, cafes.
See, first of
कुछ
all,
तो करो बहन.
then
किधर तो भी मिलेगा
That's the
तुझे.
thing. I don't want to do that. Plus, art galleries, museums, bookstores, the last thing I want to look for there is a man.
See, fair.
Because I think there are a lot of pretentious men who come for the same. You know, there is this guy I know who only paints naked women,
Oh.
like naked female autonomy. No, anatomy. Yeah.
Autonomy.
Lubna, anatomy, it reminded me of that, and I was like, wait, what is that word? Yeah. And he's like, I'm a deep troubled artist. And he talks like he's in the fucking 18th century. For I am the one who was. And I'm like, अरे पागल है क्या रे तू? तू पागल है क्या
You're
रे?
just drawing nude, shut up.
Yeah, you watch a lot of porn, and to feel better about yourself, you're like, I'm a deep troubled artist and I do this. No, you don't. Calm the fuck down.
Okay, interesting people she knows. I do not know people that do that.
I unfollowed him. I think met at a competition in school, and then I don't know what happened, but yeah, he's gone.
Okay, thank
Anyway, men dating life, like I don't even want to
Akansha's-
date someone right now.
God. Yeah, but Shadi is imminent, so we
Shadi
need
is very
to...
eminent, just like climate change. A very painful death.
Oh, that is scary to me. Thankfully, my parents are not this way. They know that I will not be getting married, and they know that if I were to be getting married, it would not be to
Oh my god.
men.
Yeah, but wait.
You had questions about this.
No, not
I
a
think you
question.
did, yeah.
Have you watched Zindagi Gulzar Hai, or have you read it?
No.
Okay, there's this like one episode where Kashyap's like, Also, Kashyap and I feel like are very similar when it comes to personality wise. Kashyap, see,
Who
Kashyap.
is this? What is this?
Okay, so there is this Pakistani
Got
novel.
it. Zindagi Gulzara
Yeah,
does
yeah.
not sound like anything Bollywood will make.
Yeah, it's a very good work of like literature, by the way. Umaira Ahmed Cook.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Kashyap is like the protagonist of that novel, and Kashyap is a very visibly Pakistani Muslim woman who is marginalized by a lot of sociological and socio-political aspects and factors, and she and I cannot be any more different than, like, I'm a very privileged person in a country which favors people like me. She's not. But when it comes to like personality, I think Kashyap and I are very similar. Like the disdain she has towards marriage, the way she looks at men, the sheer mistrust she has towards men.
Yeah.
Very, very, very
Relatable.
Yeah, relatable. But at the end of the day, she is also heterosexual, cishet. So there's this scene in Zindagi Gulzar Hai where Kashyap's mother is like, if you don't get married, people will point fingers at me, and people already have pointed a lot of fingers at me when I kept birthing daughters. If you want to jeopardize me further, do whatever you want to do, Kashyap, but I mean the best for you. It's like the similar sentiment my mother has, because my mother, like her mother, Kashyap's mother, is also an educated woman. She's also a feminist. Even if she wasn't by choice, she had to become a feminist, right?
She birthed 2 daughters.
Yeah, no, but my mother is like always was a feminist.
Yeah, I met her mom. She's great.
Yeah.
Briefly met her mummy. Auntie seemed cool.
Yeah, she is. Shout out to my mother. Very smart, very like very level-headed woman, which is sad, because the house she was married into
Was not the same.
does not deserve her. So she was also like, I get it. I get why you think the way you think, why the way you talk, the way you do. But like, Akanksha, if you don't do this, life will not be easy for you. Society does not welcome unmarried women. It does not. And if you decide to do this, it doesn't end with you, because people will not respect your choice that you made. People will look at us. And she was like, and I said, I don't want to become a mother. And she's like, ऐसी बातें करती हो और फिर मुझे डर लगता है तुम्हारे लिए. And I'm like, what is there to be afraid?
See, so my mom has similar thoughts. But मेरी वाली शादी will not be legalized anytime soon.
Yeah.
Given
Because how
the
dare you?
trajectory of our country. Because I don't want to get married to a man. And I would rather die. Because absolutely not.
Very valid.
Lavender marriage also, I thought about it. Fully thought about it. I was like, there is a backup plan also for me. I have a plan. But
It's like
that's
that,
just
movie.
for money. I
Yeah.
just want to get married for money. But that also
Business
I will
woman.
do very begrudgingly. मैं खुशी खुशी से नहीं करूँगी.
Junal in her wedding photos, staring at the camera.
Just like,
Kids
what am
photo
I
bhej ke
doing
lodenge.
here? But yeah, my mom, same feelings, very Indian mother thought process.
Yeah.
Just whatever. But given how her, like my mom's mom and our full family, like my mommy's side of the family, has dealt with shadi and the age of marriage and all, we're very chill. Matlab, no one got married in their 20s. Not a single one. I think my mom got married when she was 29, but everyone got married in like their late 20s, early 30s type situation. So it is not age-related pressure. It is just shadi in general. And it's not even pressure. It's like, करना चाहिए. Like, मम्मी को शादी देखना है.
They're like,
She
if
wants
not
me to
married,
get
then
married.
what?
She wants me to get married. For vibes, bro. At this point, it's just for vibes. It's like, देखना तो है ना, मजा तो करना. I'm like, दूसरे की शादी में जाओ यार, मेरा क्यों?
Yeah, bro.
But yeah, so also the thing is, if I were to marry, I have been told that parents will, at least my father, will not be in attendance. Because I will not get married to man.
Oh my god. Well, at
So-
least your father communicated about that.
Yeah, it was a whole dinner table
Shout out to
conversation
you.
because my timing in life is so random. I'm like, हम लोग डोसा कुछ तो खा रहे हैं, and I just went, so
Love
guys, if this were to happen, this is how it will happen, and they were just like, no. That was their reply.
Well, at least like the negative vibes pulled themselves away.
नहीं, because I had communicated बहुत पहले कि एक तो I'm ace. So you guys will not be getting grandchildren through me, from me. Never happening. Yeah, so वो तो नहीं होगा. फिर other bomb. I don't like men. That happened, and they were like, no. I was like, look around, guys, just look around.
Straight up said no.
No, just no.
नहीं, ऐसा हो ही नहीं
नहीं,
सकता.
तुम बड़े होके समझोगे. I am 21 now. Still very much same feelings. And these are words I have said at 16 to 18. Not 16, but like 18. Say I've been telling my parents. So they know now not to ask about boyfriends and things. So I don't get shadi conversations itna. But I know that they want it to happen.
It's like bubbling somewhere down
Yeah,
their
yeah.
throats.
It's like their simmering want for me. And I get it because Indian parents, they will
Indian
just have to live with that for the rest of their lives because मैं तो नहीं करने वाली. But yeah, thankfully वो तुम्हारे जितना pressure नहीं है मुझ पे.
It's because I'm cishet.
No, it's
No,
not
just that.
It's also
I get it.
my bubble, my family bubble and friends. They don't really give a shit about single people.
Yeah.
We are pretty chill. Although
Sometimes
most
I
people are
think-
married and some people are separated, but no one. It's very chill vibes.
Separate हो जाओ, लेकिन पहले शादी तो करो separate होने के लिए.
But it's
कर लो.
mostly chill vibes.
Good for you all, honestly.
Nobody, and now especially the generation after my grandmother and like my mom's generation, they are much cooler than my mom. So really nobody cares. Everyone's just like मत ही करो, अगर सही में करना है सही में करना है तभी करना. We will not ऐसा pressurize you
It's
into
not an
getting
obligation
married.
you have to.
We will not
put up
find
with.
people for you unless you
Wow.
want us to. Like it is. We don't do arranged marriages. In
तेरे
my
को बारे में
family,
छोड़
okay?
दिया उन लोगों ने.
Yeah, they will just be like. अपना सर्च इंजन तुम खुद चालू रखना. हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे. तो good.
Very, very opposite for me. People I have no clue existed are sending biodatas.
Oh my, I don't
Like just like two, and my mother and my grandmother's like, "Chi."
Oh,
मेरी
Akansha has called this her soft launch into the marriage market.
Yeah, this is Bridgerton season 3.2. Before the fourth one hits, my season has come around. Hopefully it does not conclude because मैं कुछ तो करूँगी.
It will be a will they, won't they?
Will she? Won't she put herself out? It will be very.
She has put herself out. She has no choice in this. I don't think she does.
Yeah, I don't. But like, I kinda do. Like, I want to exercise. Like, last episode I was like, I'm exercising my autonomy. I was like, spoken
Last
too
episode?
soon. Yeah, second
Oh, yeah,
episode.
yeah.
Spoken too soon, bhai. Should have bit my tongue.
होता है, that is life.
That is life. I think, you know what? I know for a fact, I will try to gain some control in my life about the man I will marry.
Let's
if it
see
doesn't
how
work
that
out,
goes.
yeah, let's see how that goes.
I will be the saddest person at
I
her wedding if
hope-
she has no
Romance
say
or
in
like love. Yeah, because see, I think like everyone out there, I value love a lot, and like every normal person out there, I also want love in my life. And having witnessed what an absence of love can do to people,
She wants it.
yeah, I would very much avoid becoming whatever I
Loveless.
witnessed. Yeah. So I'll at least try to, but again, it's like it means I have to talk to men. And if that is not a punishment, then what is a punishment? Talking to men is torturous. It is painful, guys.
How are you doing it?
Recently, a man mansplained what periods feel like to me.
Oh wow.
He also proceeded to mansplain what feminism is to me, and he's a staunch
Mard.
like he's such a man.
Real
bro.
mard behavior.
Real mard behavior. ये मर्दानगी. This is actual मर्दानगी. So I'm like, नहीं भाई, मुझे तो नहीं करना ये.
But इसको करना पड़ेगा. And that is the sad conclusion of our 10 minutes of talking about shadi. Because sad realities.
Like
What
the air in the
else?
room right
Yeah,
now.
it's changed.
It
It's
dipped,
just
bhai.
duk.
it dipped the graph. No, if you want to, like, okay. So I don't earn a lot of money because I've just started working, right? And I hopefully, like all of us hopefully get to better places.
Yes.
But I earn my own money and I don't ask my parents for any allowance whatsoever, which is great. But I have asked for like some help. Kabhi budget chala jata hai, hospital I have to go, this or that. But it's fair to say that I am financially independent but not stable. Which, to this one particular man in my family, it's like more acidic than bile itself.
Oh wow, really?
Really. Um, so this same person humiliated or at least tried to insult me by saying something very rude, very disrespectful, and I got so angry because that was really very disrespectful.
What did he say?
Mm, some other episode maybe.
Okay.
I haven't even told you what he said to me
Yeah.
because it cut deep. Okay, it cut really deep, and our relationship has not been the same ever since. Okay, it has not been the same. वो बोलते हैं ना, मन से उतर गया. That person literally did, like, I threw him out of
Yeah.
my heart boundary, atom cell, whatever.
Atom cell, different things. But
I'll explain it to
Yes,
you later.
no, got it.
So, yeah, that happened, and I have been earning my own money, and I bought both my grandmothers gifts. My mother, the sari that she
Yeah.
wore on Lakshmi
Oh.
Pujan, I got it for her.
Cute.
And I bought my father like shirt and pant kapda. We went to tailor, he stitched it maap ke hisab se. It was very cute. I got gifts for my sister. Everything okay. And this man really has the audacity to eat the food I cooked
Ew.
under our roof and say, इतनी सी सैलरी के लिए इतना क्या कर रही है तू? He said that while chewing the sweet I got him from my first paycheck. I had actually kept some amount aside to get sweets and all these gifts, and this man has the food I cooked, the sweets I bought in his mouth. He's chewing them down and he's like, इतनी सी सैलरी के लिए इतना क्या कर रही है? And it hurt, okay? In that, the way he said it, what he said, especially in Marathi, like, it hurt. And this man, he's like, तेरे पास इतना टैलेंट था, तूने क्या किया? ये क्या नौकरी लगा ली? कितना कुछ कर सकती थी तू? सरकारी नौकरी मिलेगी क्या तुझे इसके बाद? And I was like, bro, calm down. And then he proceeded to say, agar, like, my son, he was talking about like property savings, and then he's like, if like his son doesn't learn, then I'll start some business for him to work it out. And my father was like, why? But your son is good at studies now. And he's like, no, what is good? What is the goodness of being good at studies if you don't like end up in IIT or like engineering वगैरह? And he was like, मैं उसको ऐसे आलतू फालतू कोर्स नहीं कराऊंगा. And then I was like, क्या आलतू फालतू कोर्स? And then he's like, ये BA MA करके लोग घर पे बैठते हैं. I have done BA. I have done a PGD in journalism. Very not science, very not medical school, very not engineering. No, definitely not IIT, although I visited IIT Bombay to cover a story. So he said that, and I actually stopped eating because I know very well what the intention was. And it's like, why are you so bitter? That's my question. Both your children are really good at studies. Both your children are very good at studies. Your daughter's preparing for NEET. Your son wants to become an engineer. You want him to become an engineer more than he does. You keep talking about engineering and like he has a very mechanical brain and he like studies and observes.
But business पे बैठाएगा बंदे को.
Yeah. Sometimes he says shit just to get at me. And he's also very anti-feminist, very saffron.
Got that.
Yeah. So he said that, and be happy about it is all I'm saying. Your children are doing very good for their age, for their studies.
He doesn't have to talk to you that way.
Why do you waste your energy? Why do you waste your energy on someone who's done like altu faltu courses is my question. अगर तू इतना बड़ा है, अगर तेरे बच्चे इतने बड़े हैं मुझसे, तो तू अपना प्रेशियस टाइम और एनर्जी मुझे से तुच्छ व्यक्ति पे बाइलेक पे क्यों डाल रहा है ब्रो? That's my question. And it is so pathetic that men will really go out of their way to hurt a woman because they derive such joy out of it. And I'm just like, wow. And
That
you
is petty.
wonder why I am a feminist. I'm a hardcore feminist, bro.
Because of you.
Yeah, genuinely.
Yeah.
I sometimes I'm like, I didn't choose to be a feminist. I become a feminist because of you. And then he's like, oh, what did you say? ऐसा कैसे बोल रही तू? क्या बोल रही है? Blah blah blah. And I was like, fuck you. So yeah, Deepavali
She had
break.
a great time at
Yeah,
home.
this always happens, and I think it's also my mistake that I end up wanting. So when I spoke to him about feminism, right, I genuinely wanted him to like learn from it. I wanted him to
Understand it.
become a better person. उसको आग लग गई bro. उसको नीचे से आग लग गई. And I was like, I am not calling you out. I'm just saying men do that. And if you feel attacked, it's not because I'm saying you are a piece of shit. It's
You
because
are understanding
feel.
that you are. Ooh.
Internalized hai bhai ye. Get
Must.
to yourself. And then I actually said, and because the loudmouth bitch that I am, I said something to him in retaliation, and he's like, huh? Huh? He literally like, उसके हाथ में जो निवाला था वो नीचे चला गया, and he's like, huh? And I was like, yeah, bitch, I said that.
I love
So
that
yeah,
for you.
fun time.
She is dealing with a lot on her Diwali break.
And her daughter.
Yeah.
DC household.
So what else happened?
I also read books. I have been reading books.
That's good. We
And-
like reading.
Yeah, we like reading, and to understand where my culture really comes from, I have started reading books that really have shaped the culture. I'm talking about like Naneshwari, which is
Oh,
also
you're
really
reading books in Marathi?
in Marathi, and I'm struggling a lot because the Marathi that is used to write Naneshwari
it's
is not
different.
regular, like sarva chala ito thamba ito vada BSTC kind of thingy, but it's very nice, and I like Abhang. Although my relation with my religion is very like,
Contentious.
it's very like a ship on a stormy sea at the night vibes.
Contentious.
Yeah.
It is on rocky ground.
Yeah, to paint a picture, guys, that
Metaphors.
metaphors. I'm a writer. I'm a deep writer. Anyway, yeah, I really like Abhang because I really like the agrarian culture, the Varkari culture that exists
I am so curious to know. We don't.
in
but-
my side
No,
of the
I
world.
like your side of the world, but you finish yours then. I'll say.
So yeah, my side of the world, I come from like very, very humble beginnings, although I'm very privileged thanks to my parents who worked really hard. My grandparents, every time I go back home to our village, which is quite literally a village, I really like it. Like, I ate, like, people, baile kali, so someone's bringing you sugarcane. Someone's like, eat this mango during summer. Someone's like, Are, I have dahi for you, take dahi. Someone's like, Are, I made this, take it. Because when a daughter comes back home, they're really nice. And this kind of treatment I don't receive in my paternal side, only maternal side. So that happened, and I learned two Abhang, which is basically poems written by the Marathi saints of the 16th century saint movement in Maharashtra.
Yeah.
So yeah, I learned a few Abhangs, and I really like singing them. And people like listening to me sing Abhangs because they say I have a good voice.
You do have a
for that. It was very nice. Despite the rocky relationship I have with my religion, I think the sect that I come from and that I do in some ways follow is nice. And I don't think that sect takes space away from people or like sort of seeps itself into other people's lives and beliefs, which is the one thing that I really like.
It's not forced upon other people.
Yeah,
in
and
a
it's
way that
and it's very like, honestly, it's quite anti-Brahmanical in nature. They're like, uska mat suno tum, uska tum suno hi mat. Don't do that. Don't listen to that man. Go to the temple and look at your god. Don't look at this Brahman. So yeah, I like that bit. And the saints also, like, someone's a potter, someone's
Yeah, they again.
someone was a
humble
cobbler.
religion.
Yeah. Someone gave up their whole
I know.
capitalist business.
I studied this.
Yeah,
Because
I was not
history-
told. Yeah, which was nice. So yeah, I like that, which is why despite all its ugliness and atrocious shortcomings,
But it is very interesting, the whole
I will go
saint
back home.
movement.
Yeah,
and
it is.
because we had a brief chapters on religions in India in my history course in college. So we had basically the Sant movement, the Sufi movement, and all of that together. So it was really nice about learning the names of the different saints and when they came up and what they preached, and learning that most religions stem from the same beliefs, but then the way they segregated and sects were formed throughout the years of them being active religions really messed us up. And then you mix that up with the caste system, and you mix it up with society and status, and that's when you get religion
And
as it is.
capitalism.
Very, very important capitalism, and that is when you get what we have what we know as religion today. And that is so disappointing to me, because if you look at it, every religion has similar ideologies.
At the
Crux
of
at
it.
the core,
Yeah.
you strip back every religion from what we know now to its most basic roots, it is the same. Most religions just want to live a fine, okay life and then die and either be reborn or go to
to the
another
heaven.
place and get your moksha, etc. It is all that. Every religion is the same. Every person ka fear is the same. We have just messed it up and contorted
So
it
badly, by
Oh my
the
god,
way.
how did we do that? Dude, the history of religion from what it was, even Buddhism, what it used to be
Yeah.
versus what it is
Same.
now. It is the
ये graph ऐसे कैसे गया?
the evolution, every religion, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, the Sant Bhakti movement,
Yeah.
everything, Islam even, like everything is so... I don't want to use the word bastardized, but it's the closest word I can
To
think
the-
of
yeah.
that humans have done to the institution that is religion, and that is why I'm so not... I don't subscribe to most of them, any of them anymore actively, because I'm like, no, the religion, what we have
Yeah,
associated
yeah,
with
yeah,
religion
yeah.
now is so icky.
It is
and
like
I
icky,
really,
and
it makes me highly uncomfortable.
if it makes you murderous, bhai, tu
If
to-
it makes you hate people, you are basically defeating the entire point of your religion.
and you're not going to the heaven, that's for sure. I can guarantee you that much.
Listen, I believe in the Good Place system. Have you watched the Good Place?
No.
Okay. So the
But I
Good
have
Place-
watched Lucifer.
different systems. I am pretty sure they are different systems. So the Good Place has this reward system where if you do good deeds, your points go up, and the more you have points, the more you go to
It's
heaven.
like the Hogwarts.
You go to the good place, and if you have less points, you go to the bad place.
Hogwarts
Hogwarts House Cup
Yeah.
for humanity.
For humanity.
But the thing that they explained in that, which has stuck in my brain ever since that specific episode aired, I don't remember which season it wasn't, but they described it as once we started industrialization and the price of everything increased and the bad stuff behind the good stuff increased, like if you buy a flower, one flower, it cost X amount of money. You're giving that flower to your grandmother who's sick. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
But for the flower to reach there,
Yeah.
you're gonna you're gonna use fossil fuels, you're going to use unskilled, unpaid labor, you are going to use all of these illegal, bad things that are happening for you to do that one good deed. So the amount of points you're getting deducted for that one good deed is so much compared to that 1 point of a flower to your grandmother.
Yeah.
Nobody goes to the good place. Because we live in a society that doesn't allow us to do good things that
Because
are
we
simply
screwed it up for
pure.
ourselves.
And we did, that is what I'm saying. So we intertwined religion with capitalism, and capitalism has corroded every aspect of our lives in such a yucky, ugly way. And I hate it. I hate being capitalist machine ka part. But here we are. And because we live in a society, we deal with it. But yeah, hate that. But love
Very true.
the crux of religion, as it were, in the beginning.
You know what? I have a very good example for this. Like, for example, before I started my job, we are talking about like 6-7 months ago, I was back home again. College khatam hua tha. I went back home again, and Sapta tha. So we have this whole like every village or every Varkari community in a village hosts a week long of like prayers and like it's a very cute thing, for the lack of better words, Sapta. And usually there is always like some pravachan because the saints are dead, sadly.
You know, because they are human.
Yeah, because वो मर गए, वो 16th century में पैदा हुआ था वो. तो because the saints are dead, and people who have written and read what the saints wrote, they get special treatment and they come and lecture you about what the saints wrote. And it's like the most patriarchal, sexist, misogynistic, heinous, right-winger, saffron politics, heavily politicized
Interpretations
in
of
the
those.
wrong manner. People who believe in these things come and lecture you about something else that is not related to the saints at all.
Yeah.
So it's like, तुम लोग मुझे, if I have to say it, तुम ज्ञान शोधने वाले होते कौन हो? If I had to put it like that, because I got so uncomfortable. Like, there's this man talking about a woman a pativrata woman whose sick husband said, I want that prostitution, she's so pretty, I'm gonna die, can you fulfill that wish? And she's like, yeah.
What?
So there is this story of a dying old man who was
wants a prostitute?
again, I use that word because that's how she was described,
yes,
a sex
got it,
worker.
yes.
So basically, there's a story of like a dying man who was touched by this like really, really like strange disease that melted off his flesh, made him look very ugly. No one wanted to be around him.
Leprosy.
Probably.
Yeah.
And he was an old man. His wife was like younger than him, as they usually are,
Yep.
sadly.
16th century and all.
Yep. Older than her actually. So it's
Yeah.
like really messed up.
Yeah.
So she's like, oh, उसकी सेवा की, बहुत ही उसको ये किया, वो किया. And this man who does not have flesh on his skeleton is like, I have high libido. I look at that sex worker. She's so pretty. I wanna, with her. And then the way they describe the sex worker, why is it that the men who exploited sex workers are not criticized for what they do, but a sex worker is the scum of the society? Anyway,
that's a different episode.
That is a very different episode. That's like my thesis, bro. College
That is your thesis.
That is
Oh my
my
God.
thesis. So, and there's this like really strange detail that the wife goes and draws rangoli out of like in front of the sex worker's house, and the sex worker's like, everyone talks shit about me, but you are doing this for me. And the wife is like, because my husband likes you, and everyone's like praising the wife. No one's calling out the husband. The sex worker is being mistreated as she always has been and will be for a very long time. And this is the pravachan I'm getting during the Sapta, which was started for a
this
different
is
reason.
basically a
Good place.
parable.
Yeah.
It's a parable.
Yeah, for the people who
Yeah.
haven't. Anyway, this is what I'm trying to get at. And it's so sad. But like, this
The
was my
point
Diwali
is,
break.
religion के नाम पे कुछ भी होता रहता है.
कुछ भी होता रहता है.
And this feels like a good place to end this on,
Sure.
because it has been an hour.
Yeah.
And
We covered a lot of
we
points.
we covered so much. Oh my
We wanted to
God.
talk about religion, no? Next
We
episode.
did. We did. So, just before we let you guys go, if anybody even cares, we are not going to be consistent in terms of releasing episodes on a specific day every week. We might not even release episodes every week because I'm going to be busy now. It is wedding season, so we will try to meet as often as possible and record at least one episode whenever we can. So yeah, we will try to record whenever we have time, and we shall see you guys next time.
Yeah, I hope so too. I hope that we continue Yapology because I really like it.
We will continue. I really love it.
Yeah.
We have covered so much this episode only. The next few, I don't even know what we'll talk about, but this was fun.
We always have something to talk about.
We will always have something to
This
talk about.
this is why you should read a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not brag about it.
Yeah, don't be a man. Don't be a man about it.
Yeah.
That's like the general thumb rule. Don't be a man about it. Anyway, I'm so glad I did this, and if anyone, literally anyone listens, thank you.
Yeah,
for
thank you
it.
for listening.
Yeah.
This was fun. I also have a slight cold, so if I sound a little different than other episodes, it's because of insect.
Couldn't tell.
But good, because healing is happening. So, yeah, we will see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye bye.